Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let us practice yoga which benefits women with PCOD or PCOS. It is a problem in which a woman's hormones are out of balance. It can cause problems with menstrual periods. Thank you so much, Srimatha, for requesting this video. She has an amazing channel which focuses on helpful household tips and will help you save some bucks. Please check out her channel. The link is given below. Let us practice together. First, let's be in a butterfly pose. Sit in Dandasana. Legs are straight and body is straight. Bring your right leg inside and left leg follows. Both feet are together. Interlace your hands and grab your feet. Your spine is straight. Clap your knees gently like a butterfly. Your core muscles are engaged. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, how it comes and goes away. Be here for 3 to 5 minutes if possible. Your breath is deep and long. Inhale deep and exhale full. Now release your hands and legs as the way that you came before. Legs and back are straight. You may shake your legs gently while hands lays behind. Find some motion in your legs. Supta Baddha Konasana, Reclined Butterfly Pose. You may use block for this pose or may use a long pillow or cushion. Place 2 blocks behind you. One to rest your shoulder blade and another to rest your head. Now while in Dandasana, with the help of your elbows, gently lay on your back while the shoulder and the head rests on the blocks. You may adjust the blocks if you need it. Now bring your right feet towards the inner thigh and left feet follows. Place your one hand on your belly and another on your chest. Close your eyes. Inhale, belly goes up. Exhale, lower down your belly. Feel your breath. Inhale deep and exhale slow and full for 3 to 5 rounds. This is great for your lungs, heart, and opens up your chest. The pumping of diaphragm helps in oxygen flow and better blood circulation. If you feel discomfort, you may place your hands on the sides. Or on the inner thighs. This posture is very good for back pain as well. To release with the help of elbows, get up gently to the original position as the way you came to this pose before. Camel Pose, Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Your knees are hip distance apart. Your feet are either tucked in or lays flat as you like it. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, cartwheel to grab your right heels. And left hand does the same to catch the left heels. Inhale, open your chest as much as you can while facing the ceiling. Drop your head. While you exhale, push your hips to the front. If this is difficult, then you may go halfway. Be here for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Now to release, bring your right and left hands and release the asana slowly and be in Vajrasana. And for rest, go to the Child's Pose. Child's Pose. Be in Child's Pose for 3 to 5 deep breaths. You may place your hands on the sides. And slowly come back to be in Vajrasana. Salavasana, Locust Pose. Lie on your stomach and be on a Makarasana. Take 2 deep breaths. Put your chin on the mat. Hands are under your body. Inhale to gently raise your right leg. Hold for 5 to 6 breaths and exhale to release. Next, raise your left leg. Hold for 5 to 6 breaths. Entire body is stretched. Exhale to release. Now be on Makarasana for effective blood flow towards your upper body. You may face one side and rest for a while. Hands are under your body. Put your chin on the mat. Now both legs. Gently raise your both legs. Be here for 5 to 6 breaths. And exhale to release. If you are unable to raise both legs, you may raise one leg at a time. Listen to your body and do not push hard. Now be on Makarasana for effective blood flow towards your upper body. Rest for a while. This pose is very good for back pain and belly fat loss as well. Rest for few seconds. Prasarita Padottanasana, wide-legged forward bend. This is a very wonderful pose which is quite helpful for all reproductive organs, uterus, ovaries, fallopian tube, and massages the internal organs as well. Stand straight, legs are wide apart, fingers are slightly facing inside, body weight is distributed on the heels, arches are lifted and kneecaps are lifted. This secures and balances your lower body. Inhale, raise your both hands up above and exhale to lower down your hands and upper body slowly. Your spine is straight. Place your hands on the mat under your head. If you are uncomfortable, you may hold yourself here. Or you may catch your thumbs on your legs. Now let us rotate. Catch one wrist by next hand. Your legs have a strong grip on the mat. Inhale. Now gently start the rotation counterclockwise and go back. Exhale while lowering down. Inhale, go up and go back. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, now for clockwise direction. Do the same and go back. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, go up and go back. Exhale, lower down. Make sure your upper arms sticks to the ears throughout the rotation. If you have vertigo or if you feel dizziness, then you may hold yourself going for the rotation. For your comfort, your hands may be placed on the hips while rotating. Inhale, go up and go back and exhale to lower down. To release, place your hands on the mat under your head. Gently bring your legs closer. Inhale and exhale. And slowly raise your body. Spine is straight. Relax. Your hands and legs are drawn closer. Stand straight in Samasthiti. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. I hope this will help you or anyone who has this condition and expect a timely recovery. Please practice these poses every day. Also, please comment below about your experiences. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.